Okay.
Okay, po-Polish.
Polish.
First time nila maki-Polish sa atin. Polish Siders, Mittag Essen, Guten Appetit. Praise say Jesus. That's it. Okay, you have praise something or that we can hear or no? It's okay.
No, it's same as
Same.
Aning.
So,
That's it.
kain na tayo. Mga babae mag-serve, mga babae. All ladies will serve.
Ladies
No,
first.
the boys are making cook later.
Very short na prayer, no? Yung ano.
Yes.
How do you call it?
Fröhlich is like happy, be our mealtime,
Uh,
and then enjoy, like guten Appetit, enjoy, and then praise be to Jesus, like
okay.
Praise sei Jesus.
Nice.
You share already, huh? But this one actually, Aniko, I didn't see this one in the other German, mostly in German.
Yeah, it's
your
only
family,
our
no?
family.
Oh, chili. Kung mag-yun lang, masarap. No?
Oops, sorry.
Ay, salamat kami inuna. Thank you.
Siyempre. Okay.
Kami pa rin daw yung guest. Hanggang dito ba naman? sorry lang, no?
No problem.
Pero the best talagang pagkain ng Barents, mga pre.
The best.
Puntahan nyo na ako, baka magkaubusan.
Kahapon nga close kami kasi walang stock. Naubos yung stock namin.
Naubusan din, no?
Sold out kami.
Lagi nauubusan yan sila. Nakaraan, kumain kami doon, nauubusan ng chicken. Pero sila ka best
Oo
seller.
nga, no?
Oo.
Chicken. Masarap yung chicken, ah.
Tignan natin, tingnan ko lang din na ano to. Nabilihan yung... Kamay sa ano siyan? Nagulat ako may talagay-lagay sila.
Then, fish? You like fish?
Balot-balot. Eh, kukuha na lang kami. Okay na yan, babe. Kukuha na lang kami ng istabing kanin lang, babe. Salamat. Oh, salamat. Thank you. There's a rain.
Kami kasi, we love rain.
Yeah, kami rin. Itong dalawang batang ito. Oo. Diba?
Okay.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you, salamat.
Let's check this one.
Tini, sarap ng kain ng Tini. Hingi kami. Aniko, there's a lot of people saying that you pumayat ka daw. You're getting thin.
But I'm eating a lot here. I think eating more here than in Germany.
But why you're getting thin?
Because it's not my food.
That's not your food.
Yeah, in Germany I get...
Maybe they blame me you're not
chubby.
eating very well.
No, I'm eating very well. Oh, but I think in Germany, because it's like my comfort food,
Okay.
I'm eating also when I'm full.
But you didn't
And
say
here when
that
I'm
our
full,
food is not good?
No, that's not what I'm saying. Your food is very amazing, very fresh, very nice.
Kain na tayo.
It's raining na, pero masarap pa rin kumain sa labas.
Oh, guys, Yahoo! First na namin itong kumain, may kasama sa aming first joint adventure, no?
First time. Yes.
Joint adventure. Tapos may mulan, mga patak. Sarap. Hey, happy! Clap, clap! Kakain na pala ako mga patak.
Wala na.
Makauna tayo mga aso.
May fish doon. Ani?
There's a fish there, Nico.
I have. Thank you.
Ay, may kamatis pala. Wait lang. Sayang. Gusto mo ng kamatis?
Sige, okay rin.
Natin pa ba? Oo. Numit, ano? Saglit lang, ha? Ay, Miming. Naurong ba ito? Naurong ito, no?
Oh, rin.
Mamaya, ha?
You need help?
Doon, saglit lang. Agad na kamatis. Ito.
Kala ko sila na.
Matud nila karon dili. Pwede ba kamatis?
Wala pala, no?
Wala pala. Hindi pa kamatis ani ko?
Huh? I'm not sure. I was busy with frying chili and reading a book to Ella and frying.
Wala pala doon.
Wala pala. Okay lang.
Hey, Hector.
Meron.
Meron.
Patay ka lang. Ning.
Asa na hindi maanghang?
Ning.
Ayos kami.
Okay. Maanghang na?
Maangang masyado no.
Sakto lang siya.
Nanlalaban.
Nanghanga na siya doon. Akin wala pa akong naramdaman.
Wala ba?
Baka kasi ang tolerance ng lalaki sa ganyan, no?
Oo. Tayo talagang sarap ng kain natin pag mas maangang.
Pag ulan doon, yung ano, okay lang sa kanil maulanan. Baka.
Saan dyan?
Yung dalawa na to.
Oo, okay lang yun.
Saan yung dito sa ulan?
Tingin na lang po.
Sige, sige. Yan yan sa
Thank
amin.
you.
Sa Germany, mas gusto nila yan umuambon-ambon.
Ah,
Wala din silang payong-payong gondol pag ano,
Ganon?
yung ambon-ambon.
oo.
You don't use payong-payong when raining, no?
Our
Only when
family
it's strong.
not. Our family not because we always forget the umbrella.
That's why.
Very nice. Timmy!
Mga Pilipino, kunting ambon lang.
Oo.
Because us, we love rain, especially when we go ride. Yeah, we love rain.
Yeah, I also love rain. I like it a lot, but I'm one of the few Germans that love rain. I think a lot of them don't like rain because they have it a lot.
Mga matis. Maanghang. Pero masarap.
Sarap yan.
Ano sa kamatis, oh.
Nak, tulog mo na.
Masarap, ah.